This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Google account is the one you use for bookings and that Calendly is open. Once done, go to Calendly's Integrations tab and choose Google Calendar. This begins the handshake. You'll see a prompt to pick which Google account and which specific calendars to grant access to. Make sure to select all calendars you want Calendly to read and write to so bookings appear where you expect them. This initial link is what prevents double bookings and keeps availability accurate. Once Calendly has permission, you must pick which calendar events are created on and which are only checked for conflicts. You'll see toggles to set a primary creation calendar and to enable conflict detection. Make sure conflict checking is on so Calendly blocks times already occupied. If you want different event types to land in different calendars, map them now in event settings. This control helps you separate personal blocks from professional bookings and keeps client events in the right place. You finish by testing. Create a sample booking and confirm it appears on your Google Calendar at the right time and with correct details. Once done, make sure your time zone and working hours match between platforms. If a test booking doesn't show, reauthorize Calendly's Google Access and refresh the integration. That resolves most sync token issues. Also check that the target calendar is visible and shared appropriately. If problems persist, remove and re-add the integration to force a full resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.